Well, my friends, this is another interesting case. The gentle lady is aged about 60 years, very humanitarian gentle lady, very sympathetic to the orphans of the society. She is running a big centers for the orphans and the poor, undeveloped children of the society. So she is accustomed or attached with the social welfare. Such a big personality developed cough, insomnia, sugar or diabetes mellitus. The cough is relieved by drinking cold water. You know that cough relieved by drinking cold water, cupramate and causticum are the two important medicines. So anxiety is also there. You have developed some anxiety, isn't it? And sleeplessness, especially at the first part of the night. You know the causticum patient develop the insomnia or sleeplessness from the very beginning at night. After some time, she can sleep in sound way. So insomnia at the first part of the night, cough relief by drinking cold water, sympathetic mind, very much anxious, and many moles and wards here and there, especially at upper parts of the body. So all symptomatology go in favor of causticum. Well, doctors come from the Maharashtra state. Are you accepted? Causticum is the choice of medicine. So this is the beauty of homeopathy. If you collect all the symptoms, you can make a garland. The totality does not mean the numerical totality. Totality means the qualitative totality, not quantitative. So the qualitative totality, it may be 3, 4, 5, 6. In this patient, the mental symptoms belong to causticum, sympathetic, anxiety, sleeplessness at the first part of the night, many moles and warts at the upper part of the body, cough relief by drinking cold water. The particulars are helpful or important when they are qualified either by causation or sensation or modalities or concomitants. So homeopathy is very easy if you know the clue, but without the clue you are hopeless. So my friends, causticum is the choice of remedy for this gentle lady.